Hello Christmas crafters, welcome to Created Home with Elf Creations and today's video. Today I'm going to be creating a bird in a nest ornament. And I'm going to be using these ornaments here from Wilko. Now these is just a Wilko make your own light bulb ornament and they were £1.50. I got these probably a couple of years ago now, but I know they still do them. You're going to need a spatula. You're going to need a hot glue gun, some little faux bird. Now this little faux bird is only probably a couple of inches. So let me just have a see. So from, yeah, just under 2 inches. You're going to need some foliage, some leaves, some whatever you want to decorate it. But you are going to need something that kind of looks like a branch. So you could use some twigs from the garden. You are going to need one length of raffia. And now this is about 36 inches long. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to wrap this around 2 fingers. So I'm going to wrap it around 2 fingers. Don't want all these straggly bits, so they can go. And what you want to do is with the tails, the end tails, you want to glue them on to the rest of the raffia that you wrapped. So this is the part where you need to be very, very careful, because obviously hot glue and being very close to your skin, which is why I suggest you use a spatula, and then you can take your finger out. It doesn't take too long for that to settle in properly. Now that's going to work as my bird's nest. I'll pop that down. I'm going to put some hot glue around the circumference of the bird, because obviously the bird is going to sit within the nest. Glue strings, you are a pain in my bottom. Okay, and then anything that's loose on the underside, crafters, you can just glue in. So I'm just going to put some glue on the underside of the bird and the nest, and this is the point where I'm going to use my little bits of foliage here. Now this particular foliage I just got on eBay, but you can have a look in your craft stores, the Works, Hobbycraft, or in the US, try Michael's, even the Dollar Tree. Okay, and that I am going to put more hot glue, and then we are going to put this inside the ornament. Now you can put as much foliage in as you like, or as little. I'm going to put a little bit more in. I'm just going to cut off the bulky base there, so it's more, it'll disappear more easier, or more easily I should say. I'm going to pop you around there. Okay, now it comes to just decorating the outside. Now I'll tell you crafters, this is going to be a very, very quick video. It's not going to take long. I imagine this video is going to be less than 5 minutes. So a bit of foliage at the top. Now let's get a berry of some description. Let's pop the berry in. You could add some twine. Let me show you the other ones that I've done. So that's that, crafters, that is it. You could add some snow text if you wished. Come off, glue string. Come off. I know Halloween's coming up, but still. I mean, you guys probably won't see this until late November or December. But there we go. So that's that one. You could add some snow text in the bottom, but I like the kind of natural feel to it. And I've done 2 more, which I shall show you now. We have this one here, and I added a little bow to that one, which you could obviously do. So there we have that. And then we have this one, which I used some of the holly leaves. I really like the way they look. So there we go, crafters, quick and easy. Thank you very much for joining me today, and you will see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.